Welcome to the Story Guide. The Baha'i Faith is a monotheistic religion founded in the mid-19th century by Baha'u'llah, who declared himself to be the latest in a line of divine messengers, including Abraham, Moses, Jesus, and Muhammad. Baha'i teachings emphasize the unity of God, the oneness of humanity, and the independent investigation of truth. The Baha'i Faith has a global community of over 5 million adherents in over 200 countries. Its core principles include the unity of God. There is only one God, who has revealed himself through a series of divine messengers, including Abraham, Moses, Jesus, Muhammad, and Baha'u'llah. The oneness of humanity. All human beings are equal and belong to one human family. The independent investigation of truth. Each individual should seek truth through their own experience and understanding. The manifestation of God. God reveals himself to humanity through divine messengers, or manifestations of God, who bring new teachings and guidance for the betterment of humankind. The covenant. The covenant is the spiritual bond between God, the manifestation of God, and the believers. The progressive revelation. God's revelation is progressive, meaning that he reveals new teachings and guidance to humanity as it is ready to receive them. The covenant. The covenant is the spiritual bond between God, the manifestation of God, and the believers. The progressive revelation. God's revelation is progressive, meaning that he reveals new teachings and guidance to humanity as it is ready to receive them. The Universal House of Justice. The Universal House of Justice is the highest governing body of the Baha'i Faith. It is elected by an international assembly of believers and is responsible for interpreting and applying the teachings of the faith. The Baha'i calendar. The Baha'i calendar is based on the solar year and has 19 months, each with 19 days. The Baha'i holy days. There are 9 holy days in the Baha'i calendar, including the birthday of Baha'u'llah, the birth of the Bab, and the feast of Ridvan. The Baha'i pilgrimage. The Baha'i pilgrimage is a spiritual journey to the holy sites of the faith, including the shrine of Baha'u'llah in Haifa, Israel, and the shrine of the Bab in Mount Carmel, Israel. The Baha'i Faith is a diverse and inclusive religion that welcomes people of all backgrounds. It is a faith that emphasizes the importance of unity, cooperation, and service to humanity.